Paolo Avellino nagbigay ng opisyal na pahayag, Sir Ogie at mga artista nagpunta kay Sir Leo. Ilang araw matapos ang naging pagkawala ng manager ni Mr. Paolo Avellino, ay opisyal na nga itong naglabas ng pahayag tungkol sa pagkawala nito. I can't even imagine having a better manager, I'll forever be grateful to you, thank you, Tito Leo. My deepest condolences to everyone who knew Tito Leo and, most significantly, to Tito Leo's family. Maging si Sir Ogie Alcacid na isa din sa mga alaga nito, ay lubos din na apektado at ibinahagi din ang kanyang larawan ng kanyang pagbisita dito. I promise you Leo that I will always try to make you proud of what I do. You have always wanted that for me and I thank you for being the guardian God has given me for the past 34 years. We had no contract and no legal entanglements, no disagreements, and no squabbles. We just agreed to disagree and vice versa for the ultimate goal of creating art in our work. I was too blessed to have you and I am grateful that I had the time here on earth for you to be part of my life. I love you my brother. Farewell and the Lord bless you. Samantala, nagsipunta din kahapon ang mga artista at mga personalidad na malalapit kay Sir Leo, nagbigay din sila ng kani-kanilang mga mensahe, ilan sa mga ito ay si Lovie Poe, Dina Banabi, Lotlot de Leon, Gloria Diaz, at maging sila Ma'am Cory ay nagpunta din kahapon. Nagbigay din ng mensahe si Mr. JC De Vera.